This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about shot glasses, specifically these glass dessert shooters, which are a fantastic option if you're looking to do some entertaining at home and you want to provide your guests with some fun, petite, miniature desserts. Pair them with a tiny spoon or fork and you're ready to go. We have our 3-ounce Dulce, which you can see has these beautiful, clean, straight lines for a nice, classic, contemporary look. Right? It's simple but elegant. The 2-ounce concave, which you can see has this almost elongated base that's almost a little bit like a stem with the actual glass part up here at the top. And it has that beautiful concave curve to it. So a nice subtle line for a little extra detail, which is fantastic. And finally, the 3-ounce Perfetto. It also has a nice big base on it, and it has a slight tapered flare to it, giving it just a little bit of style while still being sleek, contemporary, and elegant. These are great for individual portions of desserts, especially if you're looking to do a more upscale, elegant service. And they also are going to be great for things like shots or especially layered shooters, or even tiny appetizers if you're looking to do some tiny portions and do some really beautiful service on them. They're all made from blown lead-free glass. They have really thick bases on them for extra balance and stability, which also makes them a great option for service, especially if you're doing things like past apps or desserts. And they're going to be durable and long-lasting, and as a huge plus, they're dishwasher safe, so making cleanup easier. So whether you're a pro or just looking to throw a party or event at your home, these are a stylish way to present things like parfaits, mousses, even tiny servings of ice cream or trifles or other layered desserts. The sky's the limit when you have something cute to present it in.